Oliveri likes to do things differently and do them well. It's what's made us one of the last remaining sink manufacturers in Australia. We have the expertise of the longest serving craftspeople in the industry, working right here in Adelaide. A dedicated and proud team that ensures every sink reaches the highest standard of quality. Australian made, sustainable, and designed for all the world to enjoy. And we apply the same dedication and eye for detail when selecting our imported product ranges. Doing things our way is how we came to be a trusted Australian brand for over 70 years. The sink and tap are the centerpieces of your kitchen, bathroom and laundry. We love how our sinks, taps and bathroom products find their way into homes big and small to be part of your everyday moments. Oliveri knows that everyone has different tastes and needs, and we aim to exceed your expectations with our innovative range of products. We create premium and functional products, designed for enjoyment and durability. Oliveri will continue to do things differently, continue to surprise you, and continue to bring you the very best kitchen, bathroom and laundry products from Australia and around the world.